How to lock your Google Chrome. Nobody can access to your Google Chrome. Go to Google Chrome. Click on Customize and control Google Chrome. Click on Extensions. Click on Manage Extensions. Click on Chrome Web Store. Click on Search Bar. Type Set Password for your browser. Click on Set Password for your browser. Click Add to Chrome. Click Add Extension. Set your password. Re-enter password. Click Save. Your Google Chrome success complete set password. Go to Google Chrome again. Your Google Chrome has been locked. Enter password to unlock your Google Chrome. Click Enter. Now your Google Chrome has unlocked, and you can use your Google Chrome. If you turn off Google Chrome and open Google Chrome again, you cannot use Google Chrome if you don't enter correct password. Enter correct password. Click Enter. If you want to remove your password from your Google Chrome, click on Extension. Click on Option. Click on Remove from Chrome. Click Remove. Your Google Chrome has removed password. Please subscribe for more video.